Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello viewers, welcome once again to my channel. My name is Mohammed Atteeq Anwar and you're watching my channel, Mohammed Atteeq Anwar, and Education for us all. So here is another very simple snack recipe that we make in our house. So let's hope that it's going to be a successful make. So first of all, we've got some pastry here. Okay, can we thinly coat that with some mayo, please? Okay, so I'm going to coat that with mayo thinly all over. Okay, so as you can see, it's thinly coated. Okay, I think that's sufficient. So what we're going to do is going to put a little bit of filling and then make a roll out of it. Okay, so what we do is fold the, can we put a filling over here, please? A little bit of a filling. Okay, can we have a little bit of salad and a little bit of cheese on top of that, please? And a little bit of cheese. Okay, so what we do is fold the two sides, one that way, I will hold that, and one on the other side. Okay, and then if we can try and roll that, please. Roll that over. Press it down a little bit so that it holds shapes on both sides. Okay, so what we're going to do, you can either fry them like that or as we prefer, into much smaller shapes. Okay, so we're going to cut these into what we call bite size. Okay. Okay, so those are the bite size. So as you can see, the ends are open, and the way that they're going to be closed is we're going to dip them in the egg. Okay, can we dip that in there? And into the oil. Okay, can we put the others in as well? Okay, so to make sure that it doesn't split, can we press them down a little bit? That's it. That's it. That's it. And we're going to cook each side for around about a minute and a half. Okay, so as you can see, our mini pastries are ready. We're going to put those in a plate now. And there we have it, viewers, what we call our mini pastry snack. So, just ideal if you've got guests that have suddenly turn up. Okay, I do hope you're going to try this very simple recipe. Look after yourselves. Tell all your friends about the channel. Until the next time, I say goodbye. अपना ख्याल रखना, दूसरों का ख्याल रखना, दुआ में याद रखना. अल्लाह हाफिज़.